Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey everybody, this is me, New Day New Me, coming to you with a part 2 of a video that I did. I did a video like a couple of weeks ago. I said I was going to do a part 2 of it on what's in my bag, so here it is. I'm coming to you with a what's in my bag video for the Cassie 19. This is a denim one. This bag, I think I said in my, well, I know I said in my last one, I thought it was the open box. Just want to clarify everything with that. This wasn't the open box, but it was it was an early release of the bag through Dillard's. How I found that out, one, I noticed the color difference. This is darker than the one that came out last year. Last year's version is a little bit lighter, which I do enjoy that it is darker, and I'm happy about it being darker. Another way I found out is by this tag. This tag is blue. Last year's was brown. So that's how I also figured out, like, it was something that I didn't know that was coming out, because I was told that they're not gonna come out with another Cassie. Last year was just last year's, because I missed last year's. But when I saw this one and it was a little darker, I kind of liked it. But I thought online, I noticed it was darker, but I just thought it was just because it was online. But when I got it, it was actually darker. That's the first thing I noticed. But anywho, this bag is 2025, not 2024 version. Has a blue tag. Everything else is pretty much the same. It's just a darker denim. So let's get started with what's in my bag. So first, let's undo the lock and open up the bag. This is how everything looks inside the bag. So far, I got them in compartments. So I don't got too much in this bag. In the front compartment, I put my cell phone, but it's on the charger. So that goes right here. And then in this one is this pouch in the bigger part. I'm actually in the biggest part right here. And I got this little mini bag I got from Amazon. And here is some hair ties, some Tylenol medicine extra strength, some feminine wipes. I got 2 of those. Nail file, a deodorant. This is the Umi deodorant. Nail glue, and that's it. Another hair tie. So that's all I got in this one. So I'm putting everything back in. And in the other one, it's another pouch in here as well. And in this pouch, I have lotion, highlighter from Becca. This is the, I don't even know if they still sell this one, Opal. I have some hand sanitizer. This is a Fendi concealer in 420. This is my skin tone. A Gucci Bloom perfume. A kabuki brush from the concealer. Some lip glosses. This is Hangover Pillow Balm from Too Faced. This is the color. This is the color. And then I got this Lino Pips Gloss Bombs. I have another lip balm from Fenty. And I have a spoolie, eyebrow Stella, a spoolie and a eyebrow filler. And then the lip liner from Julia's Place and Cola. And that's all in here. And then in the zipper part, I have some potpourri. I have the tickets that came with the bag. And I have another perfume. This is the say. And which one is this? And rose. And I have a pen. So that's all in that back zipper part that I have. In the back pocket, I don't have anything, but I plan to put my receipts back here and my wallet back here, and then my keys I put up here. But my keys is in my other bag right now. So that's pretty much all in this bag. And when you really think about it, with me in these compartments, it holds a lot. It actually holds a lot in it. So yeah, but anywho, I'll put that back in there when I'm done with this video. But this is just the emptiness of the bag again, so you can see what it looks like empty. And with those containers, it helps to keep it clean too. Not containers, but these little bags. So I'm able to get a lot in this little bag, actually. So I'm very happy with this purchase. As for how I wear it, I'm planning on wearing it crossbody with the chains on. And when I do not want to wear a crossbody, I'm just going to wear these two. But probably for the most part, I'm going to do crossbody. So here's the bag. Love it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and a notification so you'll be notified when I do upload. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.